over here, I can't come over here. I said, no, I'm not saying you can't come over here, but you know, but they are town and you know tell me say, you're over my yard. I'm a giant come over my yard now. Are you ever see that my yard? See? Alright, go on and go on and go on and go on. Head lick up and thing. My nephew now have seen baby mother over there at the yard, you know. See? All of a sudden now, money can hear my woman now. I tell me things now, I say, my sister them say that. My sister them say, so I say, wait, what kind of argument that? Oh, my sister will tell you this and tell you that. My sister not tell you nothing. We go to Bam with my sister and say, where you going? Boy, you man not easy, you know. You man come over here, you man. Boy, the woman that chat everything, chat about your money where you have, and all you. She chat every God Almighty thing. And I say, what? So I look at her and I say, yeah, man. I build no fuss. And an argument. I just look at her and say, yeah, man, you are going, babes. Same time I do over the yard, don't go over the yard. See? Don't go over the yard. See? And same time you go over there, I don't want to lick up and lick. I go down to my sister's house, I sit down at my sister's house and done there. I itch up done there. See? All of a sudden now, when I see my woman start telling me, say me I fuck my nephew, baby mother. Then me I say, where you can argument that? Can argument, you come with them argument there, go with them argument there. And that argument go on all me I tell her, I say, no, your mother, my baby woman, I don't do that. And she tell me, say me start the whole lane. When I know my nephew baby mother, at the lane. When I'm on the lane, and the passenger me I carry, because I run taxi. So when I'm on the lane, I passenger me I carry. Then I said, no man, what kind of woman you is? See? They can't leave them here, the man. They can't get up and accuse people wrongfully, say innocent people. And that's how life go. You ready to see people, I do things, then they can't say, boy, yes, I them thing they do, blah, blah, blah. The person can't say nothing at all. But they get up every day and accuse people. It time to be that a big war in my yard between me and my family through my woman. My woman continue to go in my yard. I tell the woman say don't go to the yard, go lick it. The woman continue to go to the yard. And she start telling about she get jars, some who she not. Let me say, my girl, no. No. That is not the thing. Why you do them thing if you come talk them thing there? Them take a stock. The same woman when my woman tell me say my nephew woman, when she tell me say me a fuck. Licked with her. Sit down. That she tell my nephew woman tell her say me a put argument to her. And I said, no my girl, what can I she can't tell that. Me say the woman is so contrary. The woman make me my family them kick off. Me get confused at the yard, I'm gonna go back to the yard. Show my woman when me there with. If me go to the road and talk to a woman, me a fuck that woman, I don't know what kind of woman that is. If everything when me do this woman say, a woman me have a woman, me have a woman, me there with a woman this, a woman that. Me don't understand that. Me tell you something, babes. And to all the women them out there, you can't live life like that. I'm telling you this, man. You say in a relationship, accusing a person in a relationship don't work. You can't get up and accuse a partner, whether if a man or a woman. You can't get up and accuse people in the devil. When if you know things, the facts. Know the facts. Them things that mash up relationship. Yeah. Them things that mash up relationship. Some people there, them there have them relationship. And people out the road, see them and live good. And people out the road don't stop carrying news. And mash up them life. So